morning, man. You know, we got deliveries to make, B. Yeah, man, but a lot of people out here scamming, so it's damn near they making it hard for all the real people who actually, you know, legit, you know what I'm saying? Which I'm not a parts man or nothing, you know what I mean? But I do sell stuff from time to time, but I guess the people who watch my YouTube channel can pretty much read me and tell what type of dude I am, you know? And I say nothing funny, but you know, a lot of people, they ain't scared to put their money in people's hands who they know got money. See, it's a difference. You putting your money in a guy's hands who you know ain't got shit. He might run off with that shit, but if you know a person playing with some money or they got their own money, you won't kind of think twice about putting your money in their hand, because most of them won't scam you, but it's people with money that will scam you too. I've seen it, you know what I mean? But that's shiesty, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not one of them, so I'm here at the UPS store now. I'm gonna get this package shipped off to this customer right quick, and I'll cut y'all back on at the crib. What's going on, Box Shape family? Box Shape P back again with another one. Quick video today. It ain't nothing major. I had decided last night, I just was laying across my bed, and you know, I'm a spontaneous type of guy, so I just decided, I'm like, you know what? I think I want to upgrade my grill on the blue one. We got a second gen for the blue one. That's already on there, as y'all know. And we got the third gen for the 4-door LS. So I'm like, you know what? I want to update this blue one too, man. What the hell? Why not? So we going to go ahead and do that today. We about to get out to the garage now. And we're going to go ahead and install it. What I'm going to do, I already got my other one ordered up. I ordered me up a new one from my boy, Steve Davis. Y'all know that's the only person I shop with when it comes to certain shit. So he already got me shipped out. I just went on and ordered another third gen for him, the same exact one I got for the 4-door. So what I'm about to do now is the one that I already had, I'm just going to go ahead and slap that on the 2-door. And we're going to wait on the other one. So I'm going to cut y'all back on when we get out to the garage. Let's go. Here we go. And we in. Get this hood closed down. I already pulled the other grill out, as y'all can see. Move the other grill, so I'm gonna let this hood down and I'm gonna bag this car out right quick. Y'all see the grill is out already. Grill is out, the little wash paid off. It's a little cleaner, we got him a little cleaner than what he was, but yeah, we finna go on and slap this other one in right quick. Car got a lot of little swirls on it. That's from using these tiles, man, going through car washes and shit, but I really ain't tripping. This car ain't perfect, but overall it get a lot of attention, man. It's a head turner for sure. Third gen right here. Let's get this motherfucker going. Y'all pretty much get it. See how he looking. I end up putting a little scratch right there. Y'all see that glowing paint or that glow that when the sun hit, that pearl hit hard. But for those of y'all who know how to do it, it's just 6 screws. It's one at the top, one at the bottom. There, one in the middle here, one at the top, one at the bottom on that side. You might have to put washers depending on how your stuff looking. My grill kind of was cracked right here, so I had to use bigger washers like these than the ones they gave me. So right quick, right fast, right quick, right fast. Just something real quick, man. Triple weave, and like I said, we got the other one on the way for the other car. So we good, because I told y'all this one was for the 4-door, but pulled this one out and I threw this one in and I already got the other one on the 4-door on the way. Told you my boy Steve don't play with that shipping. He sent that motherfucker right away. I ordered it. Shit, a few minutes later, he's sending me a tracking number. We don't fuck around, you know what I'm talking about? Good business go a long way, but yeah, this is it, man. Triple weave. I gotta hook that light up in there too, though. I'm gonna see if I can do that another time, though. I ain't gonna mess with it right now. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm out. Peace.